The power of the format model lies in its practicality. It gives educators and trainers a clear roadmap for designing learning experiences that engage in different types of learners without requiring four separate learners or four separate lessons. Instead, one well designed lesson will intentionally move the learner through why, what, how, and what if stages. So start with the why. This is creating the meaning and the buy in. Begin every lesson by answering the questions learners and may not say out loud what they're thinking. Why should I care? They're all asking that. The practical strategies, which include share a real world story, a case study, or a problem related to the topic. Ask a reflective question that is going to connect the learning to the prior experience and present a challenge that learners already recognize in their life. This stage is going to build emotional engagement and motivation. And when learners understand the purpose, they're going to be more willing to invest in effort and learning. Next, you're going to move to the what. We're going to clarify that core knowledge. Once the learners are engaged, we're going to provide essential information that they need. This is where clarity matters most. Some strategies might include to present key concepts using visuals, diagrams, and even short explanations. Define terms and frameworks explicitly. Use examples and non examples to sharpen your understanding. You want to keep this section very focused and avoid overwhelming learners with too much information at once. The goal is comprehension, not memorization. Next, we want to shift to the how. How? Turning that knowledge into action. This is the application part. Learning is going to be deepened when the learners know how to apply what they've just learned. This stage transforms information into a usable skill. Some strategies would include hands on activities, role playing, or simulations, guided practice with real scenarios or problems, step by step demonstrations followed by an independent practice. This phase is usually and especially effective when learners are going to get that feedback. They can reflect on their mistakes and try again. It's going to really cement that learning experience. Next, we want to really look at the what if. This is going to extend and transfer the learning. It's our final stage. This stage is going to build curiosity, creativity, and ownership. Learners are going to explore possibilities beyond the original lesson. And these strategies are going to be things like asking learners how they might really adapt the concept to a new situation, or encourage brainstorming, invents or improvements, and looking at alternative approaches. You want to invite reflection through journaling, discussion, and even goal setting. This stage is going to really transfer the knowledge to future contexts and learning as flexible and rather than just a fixed into one situation or concept. The result is that learning really feels intentional, balanced, and memorable. The format model does not add complexity, it actually adds coherence and guides learner from curiosity to understanding, applicability, and even possibility.